Today I will show you how to perform OTA on Lenovo Tab N10 3rd generation. It can update the system quickly and efficiently to solve some system problems and optimize the system. OTA upgrades will take some time, so make sure your device has enough power, at least 30%. Firstly, find the Settings application in the system. Enter the System Settings and find the System item. Under the System category, there is a System Update option. The system will automatically check to see if there are any updates available. But make sure the tablet is connected to the internet. When an update is available, the update will be downloaded. After the update package is downloaded, the system will optimize your applications automatically. The optimization process takes a long time. Therefore, make sure that the device has enough power before performing an OTA update. After the optimization is finished, the system will ask for a restart to complete the update. An OTA update will not erase user data, but it's better to back up your important data before performing an OTA update.